Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, US market on Friday opened lower but recovered during the day. We had seen consecutive 3 week of decline in US market, and it has come off from high up by almost at around 7-8%, 5-7%, 5-6%. So, looking at that, maybe oversold, and that's why getting support at lower level. Apart from that, futures are marginally positive for the US market. The Asian markets are indicating mixed trend, wherein Hong Kong, China are showing declining trend. Wherein today morning, People's Bank of China has reduced the lending rate by lower than expected. The expectation of reducing 15 basis point, but they had reduced for 1 year by 10 basis point, and for 5 year they had not reduced the rate. So that has been taken negative by the market, and the market are coming off in that area. Apart from that, even metals are more of a showing mixed trend, wherein oil is up by around $1, iron ore is flat, and steel is down by around $1, down by 1%. So overall seems more of a mixed trend coming from different markets. We had seen corrections in our market as well, but market is finding some support at lower levels. So we'll see that more of a market may see either sideways or some positive trend in today's trade. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you. So good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open on a flattish note and we're likely to witness some range-bound momentum during a day. Now, on the technical front, Nifty is from the last three trading session, we are witnessing that it's hovering near its 50 DMA, which comes to at around 19,300 levels, but somehow manages to maintain the closing about the same, which gives some sort of relief sign. Now, as long as Nifty trades above 19,300 level, we can expect that we might witness some positive momentum on the pullback rally on the higher side towards 19,440 to 19,520 levels on the higher side. If not, and if it's break level today, 19,300 level on the closing basis, then selling pressure is likely to be seen and we might witness some sort of a fall, which might take a Nifty towards 19,240 to 19,170 level. It means that on the technical front, Nifty is trading at a do or die levels. Any breakout on either side will decide the clear trend henceforth. So, but we are witnessing a very positive momentum into the mid-cap stocks, and we are witnessing a stock-specific momentum into the market. So one should majorly concentrate on the stock-specific trading rather than take the trades on the Nifty or the Bank Nifty, which is acting as a very volatile trading sessions nowadays. So coming towards the Bank Nifty for today intraday purpose, the first support is placed at 43,300. Any move below that level, we likely to witness some selling pressure, which might take a Bank Nifty towards 43,650 to 43,500 levels. Whereas on high side, 44,100 and 44,220 are the crucial resistance level. We need to keep eye on it. Coming towards the Nifty Fin Services, 19,330 and 20,000 are the crucial resistance level, whereas the support is placed at 19,820 and 19,740 levels. So these are the important supports for the Fin Nifty services. Now coming towards the stock specific, from the last few trading sessions, we are continuing witnessing a very positive momentum into the paper stocks. So Genius Paper looks really good. It's a double-digit stock trading at 19.8020 all levels. We believe that it has a very good potential to reach up to 24 levels on the higher side. So one can take a long positions above 19.80 rupee. Maintain a strict stop loss of 18 rupees on a downside for an immediate target of 24. That's it from my end. I request Nirav to take a call for.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, see, the data is still not very negative. The VIX continues to remain around the 12 levels. PCR around the 1 level, and open interest is still at 1.3 crores, which are still comfortable levels in terms of Nifty data. So not much to worry about, but yes, we had said that some selling should come in, and from 19800 or 19300 has come in. We are seeing Nifty still, not making a base formation, but definitely 19,000 put has added a lot of open interest, and it has a lot of open interest now. So that will act as a strong support on the downside. 19,200 along with 19,000 are support levels for Nifty. So probably it will hit those supports and then look to bounce back soon. We don't see a big cut in Nifty coming from current levels. Uh, from the stock specific front, today's Jio's listing, and that's why probably Reliance witnessed a lot of open interest addition. But after that short covering rally, we can see Reliance witness some good buying going forward. It can probably, go up above its important resistance and give a good, decent 5-7% return from current levels. So one can look to add the stock at current levels. It can go up towards that 2650, 2700 levels. You can keep a stop loss of around 2480 for longs. Adani Group stocks did witness good buying, and Adani Enterprise and Adani Ports witnessed a lot of long positions, but there were a lot of short positions as well in the previous days, which got covered. So all in all, we expect Adani to do very well going forward. Adani Group, especially Adani Enterprise and Adani Ports. So that is what one can look out for. Yeah, so that's it from my side. I'd like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. Geo Financial Services will be listing today. Likely price that it will list at is going to be above rupees 300. After the July 20 special pre-open auction session, where the share price was set at around 262 rupees. The script would be in T2T segment for 10 trading days. Reliance is a captive base of crores of customers in telecom, retail, and other businesses. Will act as a springboard for Geo Financial, as also as most of the businesses are in the nascent stage and yet to begin. Only investors who have a time horizon of 3 to 5 years can consider holding on to the stock. PNB Housing Finance has resolved and recovered its large corporate GNPA of 784 crores through an ARC sale. Because of this, the overall GNPA of the company is likely to come down from 3.8% to 2.5%. This is positive. KEC International has secured new orders worth 1,007 crores across various businesses, including construction of a hospital and even transmission towers. This is positive. Murugappa family has announced an amicable settlement of all outstanding legal disputes and differences with Vali Arunachalam, the scion of MV Murugappan. The resolution was reached through a family agreement, bringing end to a prolonged legal battle since 2020. This will be positive for the entire group companies, Carborundum Universal, Cholamandalam Investment, Coromandel, EID, Tube Investments, and CG Power. So all should see some positive action. And lastly, Spandana Spurti Financial, the company's rating has been raised by ICRA from A to A minus, has been upgraded from A minus to A. So this will be positive for Spandana Spurti. Thank you.
Good morning. Tanla had entered into a term sheet with Vodafone Idea for provision of platform firewall services for international A2P services in November 21, which was valid for a term of 2 years. This partnership will not continue beyond the initial term. This would have a revenue impact of rupees 17 crore and PAT impact of rupees 9 crore on a full quarter basis post November 23. This is negative to the company. Thank you.
Yeah, Titan has acquired the balance holding of around 27% of CaratLand, where it holds the balance share capital of the company from its promoter for aggregate consideration of 4,621 crores. CaratLane has sales of around 2188 crores in FY23 and EBIT of around 166 crores. And the company has around 233 stores and growing very fast, even higher than Titan at around 30 to 40%. And the valuation which has been assigned to the overall aggregate company is around the 7.7 time of sales and 75 times FY23 P, which seems comparatively lower than the Titan overall valuation which has been assigned. So, and CaratLane also is showing higher than Titan growth. So overall seems positive for Titan Industries. Then we made the management of Make Money Organic on Friday. In fact, the company has underperformed since last 1.5 year. Make Money Organic is into two business. First is agrochemical and another is pigments. Agrochemical and pigment in both the business company do most of its product export of around 80 to 85% of their revenue come from the international market. Agrochemical as such, the whole industry is showing quite a declining trend, specifically in the international market. And the impact of the same is also visible on the company. Company is mainly into technicals, wherein it supply the basic raw materials to all the large agrochemical companies in the world. So, because of that, the slowdown, the result got impacted in recent past, and also even in pigment, the company is facing a lot of slowdowns since last 1.5 year. They are into CPP blue and green color, and both the business are facing a lot of competition from the domestic players. Valuation seems looking at the decline and all looks attractive. Company is doing expansions. They had entered into TiO2, that is titanium dioxide white pigment as well, which is more of a stable and growing business with the acquisition of Kilman Chemical. And also they had put up a multi-specialty plant in agrochemical. So agrochemical seems reviving faster, expected to revive faster once the season improve. It's more of a cyclical, so right now into down cycle and quite possible in a year's time it can turn around. Whereas pigment segment, they are facing problems which will take some time to revive because of a lot of competition from the domestic players. But overall seems stock is reasonably priced at current level. So the people who have a vision of year can look at the stock at current price. So I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we are expecting prices in commodities to rise, and we recommend to buy gold around 58,350, and one can maintain a stop loss of 58,150. On upside, we are looking for 58,600 to 58,700. Silver also, one can initiate a buy around 70,200, and maintaining a stop loss of 69,600. On upside, again, 71,000, 71,500 is the level we are looking for to take profits. In crude oil also, we are expecting, though prices are opened up, gapped up, but one should initiate a buy around 67.25, and maintain a stop loss of 66.60. On upside, again, 68.50 is the target we are looking for. Eventually, if prices are not correcting and sustaining above 6750, then also one can initiate a buy and keep a uh, uh, one for averaging. One can buy on dips if prices comes down, and in natural gas also, we are looking for target at 222, 223. So buying is recommended around 214 and maintaining a stop loss of 208. In copper also, prices have opened in a positive note, and we expect prices to test 732, 34 level. So buying around 725, 24 is recommended, and maintain a stop loss of 720. In zinc, we are recommending to go long with a stop loss of 207.5, and on upside we are looking for 213 to 15. Buying momentum should continue in today's session in commodity. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USD INR, we are expecting a very small range bound movement. On the higher side, 82.20 levels and 83.30, and on the lower side, 83.03 levels. So if prices comes around 83.03 levels, so one can initiate a long positions with a SL of 82.96 for the target of 83.10 levels, and on the higher side if prices comes around 83.15 to 83.17 levels, so one can initiate a short position with a SL of 83.23 for the target of 83.09 and 83 levels. In GBP INR, one can initiate a long position if only prices sustaining above 105.92 levels with a stop loss of 105.74 with the target of 106.16 and 106.27 levels. In Euro INR, one can initiate long positions in the range of 90.46 to 90.36 levels with a stop loss of 90.16 for the target of 90.61 and 90.75 levels. Thank you.